Compared to other days, people are joining a little slowly. What happened? Are you busy with any other classes?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or enjoying that
31st December, sir.
31st
New Year.
31st December है, sir.
तो जितने जल्दी पुराना साल भगा दे सकते हो भगा दीजिए. Just 10 hours left. तो leave the whole
क्लास में तो और धीरे निकलेगा, सर.
सर इससे तो क्लास स्टार्ट में होने है सर, तभी भी तो ऑनलाइन रहने वाला है.
ये बात नहीं.
सर 10 आवर्स में 6 घंटा क्लास में ही जाएगा.
Starting chapter having a lunch.
What?
ठीक है, हो जाता है कभी कभी. और बेटा पढ़ाई तो इसी उम्र में करोगे और मेरे जैसा सीनियर सिटीजन की उम्र में क्या करोगे?
मस्ती.
ना मेमोरी ठीक से है ना प्रोसेसर है.
Experience है, sir. Experience.
Actually, we started using computers from PC XT. Anyway, this is only 100, so let a few more people join. So I just fortunate about my this age group that seen so many things and lots of transitions. My generation. We started seeing computer when I joined my service. At your NIT, there was some Russian mainframe computer, and it is might be slower than your hi-fi mobile these days. And when you join, you will find that old building where it is a new setup there, like some central facility, some laboratory, etc. But earlier, there is the old mainframe computer service. It was some Russian computer. Then gradually PC, personal computer XT. After XT, we started with AT, advanced technology. And advanced technology, it was the cheap or क्या बोलोगे उसे? It was 386. After that, it was 486. And when it was 586, we started calling it as Pentium. And now it is Pentium, which generation the latest, I don't know. Pentium, we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know whether it is Pentium, which version. So many transition. Mobile, initially it was only send some text, and that is also very difficult. And now, क्या क्या हो सकता है उसमें?
The Nokia ones. Nokia वाला जो था.
हाँ Nokia.
Nokia वाला.
मेरे पास तो अभी
जिंदगी
भी
में
था
नहीं
Nokia.
टूटेगा.
Black and white.
Yes sir, unbreakable.
Yes, sir.
पहले सबके पास नोकिया वाले होते थे.
मेरे
पास तो अभी भी वही था.
वो फर्स्ट जनरेशन वाला अभी भी मेरे पास है.
पहले सबके पास नोकिया वाले ही थे.
I have one such and it's still working.
Yes sir, I do have.
Oh sir. Yes sir, बहुत बढ़िया sir.
और वो कलर से वो बेहतर था ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, क्योंकि when you are on road and in धूप में हो, so then it is very difficult to see that color screen. But black and white is more prominent, that LCD.
Yes sir, yes sir.
It's something like the calculators.
Yes sir. All at our time.
Anyway, let us start our business. Maybe other people, let them enjoy the year ending. So I have shared a file. Is it visible there?
Yes sir. Happy New Year 2020.
Yes sir. Happy New Year sir.
Advance. Happy New Year.
A little advance.
सर इसी बात पे छुट्टी सर, इसी बात पे छुट्टी.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर.
नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं इसी बात पे क्या?
इसी बात पे चुप रहिए बोल रहे हैं.
आज पे बात ही करेंगे सारे मिलके.
छुट्टी एंजॉय करने का उम्र बाकी है बेटा। हम जैसे 65 इयर्स में आ जाओगे तब तक छुट्टी ही छुट्टी।
65
तब क्या एंजॉय करेंगे सर? तब लास्ट एज में हैं हम लोग।
तब छुट्टी नहीं सर, बच्चों को
तब तो सर एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे ना,
देखिए
मतलब
लोगों को भाषण देने में ना बहुत मजा है। सो एट दिस एज आई विल जस्ट कंटिन्यू गिविंग लेक्चर्स फॉर यू पीपल एंड जितना आप सोच रहे हो ना, सो ना एक दिन कुछ बता रहे थे आप बहुत नाइस है। सो बेटा जब कम मार्क्स मिलेगा सेमेस्टर एंड में तब ऐसा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स कहाँ रहता है, मैं भी देख लूंगा। ओके
सर हमें कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स खरीदने होंगे ग्राफिक्स के लिए।
बताऊंगा, अभी नहीं,
Okay.
थोड़ा धीरे चलो
नहीं,
बेटा।
अलग सेक्शन का मुझे कोई बोल रहा था, मतलब उन लोग को बोले इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स खरीदने के लिए, इसलिए पूछ रहे थे।
छोड़ ना, तू जाना अलग सेक्शन में तू एडमिशन ले ले।
तो भगा दीजिए
नहीं नहीं सर,
मेरे
आर्ट सेक्शन
आपकी
टीचर
तो सर उम्मीद है आप ही के सब्जेक्ट में सबसे ज्यादा
मेरे
मार्क्स मिलेगा।
184 स्टूडेंट से एक कम हो जाएगा तो मेरा टीम वीक नहीं हो जाएगा।
यस सर, सर वी आर विद यू सर।
ठीक है, अब ये देख ले, थोड़ा बड़ा करूं।
हाँ
Yes,
सर।
sir. हाँ.
क्या दिख रहा है बता।
ज्योमेट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट्स,
Geometrical equipment.
It is a scale,
स्केल,
plastic ruler. This is also another scale,
स्टील,
steel. Now these two, I discuss about these two. These are
Set
Set
square.
set
set
square,
square, plastic, transparent.
yes,
45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree,
Yes,
60
sir.
degree,
30,
30
60.
degree, 90 degree.
90.
Now here you find two lines, this one and this one. Ready-made from market, you will not get set square with these lines. ये मैंने बनाया. You take one marker, a permanent marker, and place one scale matching the scale edge with the set square edge and draw a line. Suppose it is 1 inch or something like that.
Yes, sir.
Then one more thing, placing the scale beside these two set squares, it indicates what about the size of the set squares. Okay, this diagonal length is around 11 inch. Here also it is little less or 11 inch. So that is the size that you can realize. Okay, now this is also another set square, 45 degree, 45 degree, but it is something different. There is some linear scale marking in millimeter centimeter, 18 centimeter, and in millimeters also. And another part is there inbuilt. It is the protractor 180 degree. But normally this type of thing makes this thing a little weaker. And another thing, the edges are little thinner compared to the middle portion. Okay, but here the thickness is uniform throughout this triangle. And sometimes there is some problem when the edges are little thinner, some problem, but utility is directly you can measure the length and measure the angle. So that kind of thing some of us we prefer, but personally I prefer a separate 360 degree protractor and nothing there in these set squares. Okay, now one thing, there are some perforation like things, some holes are made bigger, this is the biggest, little smaller, further smaller, etc. Now with these things, what we can do, we can directly draw circles of its diameter, 4 millimeters, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.5, and it is 15 millimeter diameter circle. Directly you can draw, and it saves some time. Simply, you know these two pencils. This is the traditional pencil, and this is, what is the name?
tactical pencil.
Pencil.
Pen pencil.
Mechanical
pencil.
Mechanical.
सर लीड पेंसिल।
Pardon?
टक वाली पेंसिल सर।
So thing is that when you use this type of pencil, you have to always mend this tip. But this is ready-made with same diameter. Either it is 0.5 millimeter diameter tip or it is 0.7. But some of us we prefer this, the traditional, and many of us we prefer this one. Now using this type of thing is very comfortable, when you are using this type of lettering stencil, this is 10 millimeter height letters and this is 6 millimeter height letters. So simply place this clutch pencil tip there within this and simply move along this guide. So this lettering stencil, it's a very uniform and nice to look, etc. But I personally prefer when it is required use only 10 millimeter, but don't go for this smaller dimension, smaller sizes, because it will kill your time. It's very difficult to manage all these things. Draw one letter, bring another letter. Suppose it is A, N, D, end. So it is A there, then bring this N, etc., etc. So many such things. You would do it gradually, and it takes some time. So improve your skill of freehand lettering. It will be your benefit. Now, here you find one more thing. Can anybody tell me the name?
French curve.
French curve. And this is only one sample. There are so many number of French curve in that total set. This is approximately 6 inches or something like that in length, 6 or 5 inches. It may be bigger also. And different styles of these curves. So if there are 5 or 6 points, you need to connect them freehand to represent one graph. So simply match the suitable portion of the different curves with those 5 or 6 points and simply place the pencil tip there beside this plastic curve and draw a line in that way. Now, you know this thing. What is this? This is called board clip. So drawing board, you place the drawing sheet over that and you fix that drawing sheet with this board clip. Okay. Now some 2-3 more things are there. What is this one? The longer one?
Divider.
Longer version is not divider. It is compass. This tip is pencil lid.
Okay.
Okay. Now, divider is this one, small divider. This type of longer divider is also available. That is not shown in this figure. This is the divider. These are the sharp needle ends. And here it is compass, small compass. This is the center needle, and this is the line drawing pencil tip or that lid. These lids are also available in the market, not in the form of this pencil, just taken out that pencil lid from its inside. So now what about this part? I'll try to make it a little bigger. No, it's okay. This part.
So it increases the radius.
Fix that.
There is a threaded smaller diameter rod-like thing there, and here is some nut. So you can rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise, just giving a bigger or smaller gap so that increasing or decreasing the space between these two locations, the central needle and this pencil tip. You can make it sharp also for getting a sharp circular line, and for very fine tuning you can use this thing. You don't need to do this thing with your gross adjustment with the hand. Now, how to get the diameter or radius using this thing? We take this needle at some location for any marking, suppose it is 16, and hold the other end and stretch it, bring it to match with some reading here, suppose it is 12. So it is 12 to 16, 4 centimeter radius. And here also that finer adjustment is very easy just using this screw. Okay. Now one more thing you will find there. This one. Now, is there anybody who can in advance give me that name? Do you have that knowledge?
Sir, T square?
No, this is not T square. This is a scale.
A diagonal scale. Diagonal scale.
Diagonal scale.
Diagonal scale.
Now,
meters.
diagonal scale, I'll try to see this thing. This one. On two sides
Sir,
of this
the
diagonal,
above one.
this is the diagonal scale is printed both sides. It's not like that a steel or a transparent plastic ruler. It is
सर
one.
आपका स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है
Sir, above one. Sir, the one which is above. That is diagonal scale.
एक तो बोल रहा है one is above. That means the screen is visible to his machine. So please check
No,
your
sir,
connection.
visible. It is visible.
Visible, sir.
It is visible.
This is printed one side. This is the printed reverse. Okay, this is non-transparent. So for transparent, only one side marking will be there. Now on one side, you will find this is the lower side is inches and subdivided in eighths, 1/8 of an inch. So 1/8, 2/8, that is 1/4, 3/8, 4/8 is half, 5/8, 6/8 is 3/4, then it is 7/8, and this is full 1 inch. Then in that way, 1 and 1/8, 1 and 1/4, 1 and 3/8, 1 and half, etc. And on the other side, it is inch in tenths. That means each inch is subdivided in 10 equal parts. So it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. That is a half inch between 1 and 2. This is 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and it is the full inch. Next thing, millimeter centimeter. Only one side millimeter centimeters are given for 14 centimeter, and the full length of this diagonal scale, it is 6 inches. 6 inches is 15 centimeter. So that 15 centimeter is from this edge to this edge, and only 14 full centimeter is shown here and graduated with millimeters. Okay. Now there are some special things. One is you can measure the angles. This arrow and this 90, this line joining these two locations are perpendicular to this longer side of this rectangular plastic piece, which is called diagonal scale. And here you'll find 90 means you start from this location 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. in degrees, 90, 100, 160, 170, 180 degree. Similarly, in clockwise direction also 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90, 110, 120, 160, 170, 80. So you can measure angle with this also. It is multi-purpose. Measure length in inches, inches 1/8, inches 1/10, measure length in centimeter, millimeter, and you can measure the angles formed by two straight lines. And drawing one perpendicular line is very simple. You draw a line, bring that diagonal scale beside it at some marked location, and correspondingly you put a pencil mark at this 90 location, remove this and join these 2 points, you will get a 90 degree line. Now these two portions, this one and this one, these are very important. These diagonal lines, they give us the basic subdivision of a triangle in the rather using that principle or normal relations of similar triangles. So let me try to make it a little bigger. Suppose here is a triangle. This is the opposite vertex. This is the base. Now we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 horizontal lines in between these two extreme horizontal lines. Okay. Now we draw a triangle connecting this point to this point as it is already known. And from these equally spaced parallel lines, what relation that you can find? There are two lines, 9 such lines are there. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6, line 7, line 8, line 9. Okay. Now what about these smaller subdivisions? This is one, if it is one unit, then what about this length, this length, this length, etc.? They are in the ratio of, suppose this height is to this base, there are, so just switch off your microphone so that household noises are not coming. Now you can find 9 or 10 such triangles. The smaller one, the smallest one, it is here, then little bigger one at the level of 8, then at the level of 7, little bigger, further bigger, depth up to or height up to this level, then this is the width. So 1 is to this base, 2 is to this base, 3 is to this base, etc. are always proportional corresponding to this thing. Total height is to this. So if it is 1 unit, this will become 9/10 of that unit. This will become 8/10 or 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. So you are subdividing a line of this much length in this way, 10 equal parts, 0.9, 0.8, 0.7 of those lines. We'll discuss in detail when time comes, but so far regarding the diagonal scale, some primary things you should know now. And some chords are also there, scales of chords. So many interesting things are there. Okay. Now I will share another file. Now one small correction is required there. I will make it and send it to you. Toward the bottom of this, you'll find the session as 2021. Actually, it should be for your batch 21-22, but other things are same. Now on the real drawing sheet, what we use in your drawing session, practical class, there we use the drawing sheet of this approximate size. Now can anybody read it out?
Sir, 375 by 550 millimeter.
In millimeters, approximately. And different shops you will find a little bit smaller or bigger, but almost close to this size, 375 millimeter by 550 millimeter. And this green line, it shows, suppose that is the edge of that drawing sheet. Inside the drawing sheet, we draw a rectangle of thick pencil line. Now one thing, everything must be in pencil. Okay, and right at this moment, you don't need to copy it. You don't need to bother about this. Whatever I am discussing, just simply follow it. Okay. Now it has got two sides. We are talking about the side one. This line is 10 millimeter inside from edge. So if you have that blank drawing sheet, you leave 10 millimeter space all along the edges, all four edges, and draw a rectangle of 355 millimeter by 530 millimeter approximately. Okay, but you don't need to bother about the exact size of this. Simply what you need to do, from all the edges, leave 10 millimeter gap and draw thick pencil line. Thickness may be of 0.8 or 1 millimeter. Next thing, whatever it is shown there, you have to copy it, draw it, write it, everything, maintaining the instructions. You don't need to copy this part. You don't need to copy this part. Only thing, follow this instruction. Step 1, draw a border line on each side, upper side, right side, bottom side, left side, each side of each drawing sheet for every plate. There are other plates also. This is the plate number 1 we're talking about. So this is side 1. So draw this rectangle with these border lines. You turn it on the other side, side 2. There also you do it. Then the roll number must be written in ink in the nameplate and title block. This is called the title block. And on the other side, the right hand top corner, here is the nameplate. I'll show it. Now copy as it is. As it is means whatever it is there, you have to copy it. Except italic text. Italic क्या होता है बेटा?
थोड़ा सा
Slant
स्लाइड
text.
थोड़ा
Calligraphical font.
कार्डवी लेटर्स
तो थोड़ा कर्सिव है, मतलब इटैलिक टाइप कर्सिव राइटिंग थोड़ा.
Now this thing little slant or inclined towards this direction, these are called italics, and these are non-italics, simple letters, straightforward, vertical. Okay. Now I will make everything enlarged or bigger for your convenience, but right now you concentrate on the whole page as such. So for instruction, draw border line on each side of each drawing sheet for every plate. The roll number must be written in ink in the nameplate and title block. बेटा बचपन में स्टूडेंट लाइफ में मैं थोड़ा बदमाश था, तो क्या करता था, किसी का वो रोल नंबर पेंसिल से है तो उसको मिटा के I was used to write my roll number, and some other friends work I used to anyway, that is the lighter part.
Sir, nice idea, sir.
सर
Yes sir.
ये हम भी यही
Sir,
करेंगे.
अच्छा idea.
अच्छा आइडिया फॉलो करें.
आप लोग अच्छे बच्चे हैं, आप ऐसा नहीं करो. Now it is written here, copy as it is, except now that italic has been shown here, how italics are there. So except italic text, whatever it is there, you have to simply copy it as it is. Whatever is drawn on side 1 and side 2 of the drawing sheet using drawing instruments. Now arrowheads and small curves may be drawn in freehand. These small triangles at the end of the line, these red triangles, these are called arrowheads. Okay. Now these arrowheads and small curves, like this one is small curves, or some other location you will find some curves. You don't need to use any instruments. Okay. Now one note is there, engineering drawings or engineering graphics, the other name, are made as per recommendations of Indian as well as international standard. So मैं तो घबरा गया था, Indian क्या? Indian as well as international standard codes of practice for Indian reference code SP 46 1988. Now ये Indian standard एक कुछ बता सकते हैं आप इसके बारे में? ये BIS नाम सुना है आपने?
Yes, sir. British Standard Unit. Oh, sir.
वो बेटा ब्रिटिश नहीं है, मैं इंडियन के बारे में बात कर, BIS. सर्च दे.
Bureau of Indian Standards.
Bureau of Indian Standards.
Yes.
What was the earlier name? What was the earlier name of that organization?
961.
Name of older name of Bureau of Indian Standards. Search कर.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ क्या excuse कर दिया बोल.
Indian Standards Institution.
हाँ?
Yes, sir. ISI.
The Indian Standards Institution.
Exactly. ISI का logo देखा आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
And have you seen that ISI logo in any of your household?
Yes,
materials?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Helmet, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
plastic bucket
Yes,
के
sir.
नीचे और
Yes, sir.
ऐसे
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
सारे materials.
Gas cylinder.
मैं देखें.
And that is
सब में
for
देखो.
our country that we are maintaining these standards. And this
means
international standard is IS, where from we use that SI, System International. Okay, those units, SI system, SI units. Okay, So for maintaining that uniformity throughout the globe, we have done that thing, international standard, or at least for our country, throughout the nation, we should maintain some standard. The governing authority is that Bureau of Indian Standards, और ये IS code होता है, बहुत सारे किताब आता है for every subject, every topic. किसी ने घर में पेंट करना हो तो पेंट के लिए IS स्पेसिफिकेशन किया है, ऐसा. So please go through. These things are out of your curriculum or syllabus, but make it other in your database. Okay, पढ़ लीजिए. And what about this SP? SP is special publication. Number is SP 46, and it was published in 1988. And either you can purchase, or when you join your institute, you can get it from your library. If I don't know whether that facility of online getting this, we have taken our membership for BIS, and we have lots of code books are there, special publication of codes are also there for these things. So please go through, provide some time for this purpose. Next thing, ये तो हो गया copy everything except italic text. Now first thing what we do, that is draw the border line. Next, do not copy this thing, means you do not do anything here. Only thing here, you write this heading of this plate. This is plate number 1, ABC of engineering graphics. So after drawing this borderline rectangle, what we do, its right and bottom corner, we make this rectangle with some very thin lines. Those should not be very prominent, only some guideline. And write this thing, National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, Engineering Graphics, XCS 51, first semester, session 2021-22, name, your name, roll number, your roll number, section, your section, plate number 1, and date of commencement of that. It is the normal formality, but for this pandemic situation, I'll tell you what to do, because this drawing sheet, the board, drafter, etc., many of you cannot avail, or anyway, not easy to get all these things. Drafter to mil jayega, lekin drawing board as such, you need to manage, but I cannot force you. Whatever common for everybody, that much I can think of. Now all these gaps are 5 mm. 13 such gaps are there, these thin horizontal lines where you need to accommodate these letters, these words. Okay, and all these things are freehand writing, pencil. Okay, only thing here, the roll number, just beside roll number you write 21H8001, 21I8001 in that way with ink. Next thing, above that you have to write with 10 mm height of letters using 10 mm stencil. This is in italic, you don't need to write it, only the heading should be given, lettering. Use 10 mm stencil, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, etc. And these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are the uppercase and this lowercase, etc. Now, first we subdivide these in different blocks. Now, how to make different sizes? First of all, from the bottom border line, we leave a gap of 190. Can you read this thing, this figure, where my cursor is moving?
Yes, sir.
190 millimeter. At 190 millimeter gap, you draw a line parallel to this bottom border line. और जो लोग थोड़ा चालाक है, वो क्या करेंगे? From this corner, measure a distance of 19 centimeter. From this corner, measure a distance of 19 centimeter along these edges, and simply connect these two lines, these 2 points. That's all. You don't need to draw separate parallel line with respect to this bottom border line, etc. the thing will be little clumsy when you follow that your standard 8 or standard 9 level geometry and do all such things. Then at a gap of 140 millimeter, draw a compartment line. At a gap of 180 millimeter from this line, draw another partition. Then the box here is formed by not approaching from left, from right. Give 180 millimeter gap from right border line. 180 millimeter, you measure it here. From this right hand bottom corner, measure a distance of 180 millimeter. Join this line, and in between, what about the value of this gap?
Anything, sir. Anything, sir. It depends on the size of paper.
Exactly. As it is approximately 550 this length, so it will be 550 minus summation of these three, 180 and 180. Okay, so 180, 180, 360 plus 140 is 500. So approximately 50 millimeter gap will be there. You don't need to bother about that. And in different boxes, you need to copy different things, whatever it is there as it is. First of all, we draw a rectangle-like thing of a gap of 65 millimeter and subdivide with this 5 millimeter gap parallel line so that 13 such spaces are created, and we write this using pencil. And here also we make a rectangle of 80 millimeter by 180 millimeter and accommodate this 10 millimeter height letters. Next thing, this one and this one. Now before going to this one, I'll anything, we can start with this part. This is,
sir, zoom it, sir. Yes, sir.
Lines. You have to write this word lines, but within bracket, whatever it is there, you don't need to write in your answer sheet. It is in italic. Moreover, it is in lowercase, smaller letters, spacing 15 millimeter each. Now this is a continuous thick line, as you understand from its impression and its appearance, you get that thing. Now here, some note is there which is in italic. You don't need to write it. It is for your consumption only. The ratio of thick to thin line is greater than or equal to 2:1 in any drawing. So if it is a big signboard or advertisement, a hoarding like thing, then naturally 1 millimeter thin line will not be visible from a distance of 30-40 meters. Okay, so on the roadside hoardings, those thick lines and thin lines are there, but those are with the ratio of 2:1. Okay, so that you need to do little practice and lag jao aaj se. Okay, so different types of lines, whatever we will use in drawing, continuous thick, continuous thin. Continuous means there is no gap. This is thin freehand, just without using any instrument or any other thing, just using pencil, hold it and draw such zigzag type lines. Now use scale to have dash lines, dash but thick. Here it is chain line but thin. Now chain thin means most likely it is not properly visible here. I will make it little bigger. Okay, so a long dash, a small gap, a short dash, a gap, a long gap, short dash, gap, etc. This type of lines are called chain lines, and when you draw it thin, then it is chain thin line. It could be chain thick also. Now it is chain thin double dashed. One long dash, one gap, one short dash, gap, another short dash, gap, then again that long dash. So it is chain thin double dashed. And length of each line would be 100 millimeter. Beta, iska copy aapko mil jayega. If you are interested, just you can make a record of this thing. You can get the screenshots also, but these sheets will be sent to you. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Next thing, this is the first left hand side box. You come to this second box.
No, sir, one doubt is there. Sir, sir, how to draw thick and thin line in ratio 2:1? Like freehand, how can we have that idea? Like this is thick and this is thin.
Suppose I have shown you that pencil how do you mend your pencil, with blade or knife?
Sir, with sharpener.
With sharpener. Now, when we use sharpener, you make that tip very fine. But if you do not use that sharpener, think about the new pencil, just new pencil brought from the shop, and you start mending it with blade. Normally blade gives a little difficulty for our fingers, or a very sharp knife, and you cut those wooden portion in such a way that the inside lead part, it is intact. So you can do it. Now, using your sharp knife or blade, you can make the tip diameter either fine tip or some blunt head. Okay. So we can do all such things just to change the thickness of the line. It is very interesting. Now, I mentioned about two books. One is N.D. Bhatt, other is K. Venugopal, and there are many number of books. You can go for anything freely downloadable. But if you can purchase for engineers, it is very other good utility book. Okay, in drawing. And in earlier days, we were used to say drawing is language of engineers. So things are there. So in that way, with your experience of controlling your fingers, putting pressure on the pencil tip, etc., you can maintain those things. Or you can make two separate pencils of two different tip diameters. Okay, one is very fine diameter, like when you mend the pencil with pencil sharpener, or one what you personally make it for you, just very carefully cutting the wooden cover and then make the lead part according to your required diameter. So these are corresponding to different lines. These will be used, and here you find the length of these lines 100 millimeters. Now, how do you understand that this 100 is in millimeter? Can I say it 100 centimeter?
No, sir.
No,
so
sir. 1 meter.
That 1 meter length that is cannot accommodate in that 550 or 55 centimeter long drawing sheet. Okay. Now, whenever any unit is not mentioned in this drawing practical class, then it means automatically all dimensions are in millimeter. Pakka? Next thing, the length between this location to this location is normally indicated by this type of system. These two lines at the end are called extension lines. This line is called dimension line. The red arrowheads, which have been distinguished by its red color, these are called termination arrowhead. This is the dimension figure. If any unit we are using, we will write it. Otherwise, we will do one thing. One suitable location. In this case, it is just above this title block. All dimensions are in millimeter. Wherever you find this dimension value, its unit is millimeter. Another thing is their scale 1:1. ये बाद में हम देखेंगे. Okay. Now you just remember this formality, scale 1:1. Next thing, we make it little bigger, the middle box. The heading of this box is dimensions. Now dimensions of different lines, different objects, etc. are given in this way. Now let me describe about this. Now can you please give me 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you see this shared page?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
No,
नहीं
sir.
सर, no sir, नहीं दिख
No,
रहा।
sir.
No, sir.
Just hold a minute. I'm trying to reconnect it.
Yes sir, it's visible now.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Sir, you are muted.
Now,
Yes,
can
sir.
you hear me? So,
Sir, we can.
a black line rectangle, then in corners there are dashed lines. Here is dash line, here is also dash line, here all these four corners. Now, very close to these corners there are four circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And passing through the centers of the circles, here is one more thing. I will make it little bigger, you will find this. These chain lines, one long dash, short dash, etc. within a gap in between them. Next thing, identifying all such things. Suppose we can think about this as a metal plate, a rectangular metal plate, and four holes have been made, and some portion is there. From bottom, it has been made some thinner line or something like a thinner portion. Anyway, this is the object, and we give its description. Now, this black line is identified by this visible outline. You have to write these words visible outline without writing this thing continuous thick, because it is in italic. We draw one line, we draw another line, we touch with this line this visible outline and put one arrowhead there. Okay, this is the visible outline. Now these lines passing through the centers of these circles is called center line, which is chain thin as its description, but you need not to copy these words chain thin. It will be understood automatically by this type of the line, it is chain thin line. Now these type of dashed lines are called a hidden line. Description is dash thick. Don't copy these words dash thick and indicate this line by that same fashion. A line, one inclined line pointing towards this dash thick or hidden line, and put the arrowhead as it is shown with the red isosceles triangle. Next, this line is called leader line. To identify one object or line, etc., we identify in this way. Draw this leader line and put it towards its description, center line like thing. And this is a thin line, thin continuous, which is called leader line. Now at different locations, different objects are there. These are the circles. So if it is a plate and four holes have been made, then description of these holes are given in this way. The leader line, the termination arrowhead, you mention number 4 that in this plate there are 4 such, so you don't need to put the description of all such 4 circles. Only thing, this information is sufficient. 4 holes. Now there is one symbol. Now what about the name of this symbol?
Phi.
Phi. In engineering drawing, this phi is used to represent what? Diameter. Okay. So 4 holes of diameter 20. 20 means 20
centimeter, millimeter.
Millimeter.
Now these are the length dimension from this center of this circle to this center of this circle. The gap is 40 millimeter. This line is extension line, this line is extension line, this is the dimension line, this is dimension line, arrowhead termination, this is the dimension figure. Without unit means some unit has been specified at some common place, that all dimensions in millimeter. So this is in millimeter, that is 40 millimeter. Other thing, some name of this figure, it is given in this form, FIG.1, figure 1 or figure 1. Now termination arrowhead is something like this. Isosceles triangle, if it is A and if it is B, then approximately this ratio is A is to B equal to 1:3, and you don't need to bother about that. You do some good practice so that freehand ability is improved, and you can draw these very simple thing on isosceles triangles, but this base should be 1/3 of this height. Only practice will make you almost perfect. Next thing, dimension figure, that is value of dimension here. Dimension line, this continuous thin line, this one, this line is called extension line, as I have explained already. So this part will give you about the dimensioning. So from this edge to this edge of the plate, what about the length? For that, we give a small gap and draw a thin line after that. This is one extension line. This is another extension line. Okay, and this is the dimension figure, that is value of dimension. Now this thing you don't need to copy, that is value of dimension, it is in italic. Only thing, this part, dimension figure. So is there any confusion or question about this?
No, sir.
Okay, a third box we have already discussed about that. So you have to simply copy it. Okay. Then about side 2 of this plate. Let me come out of this.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर मुझे किसी ने निकाल दिया था सर, अब मैं इसके बाद ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा था, और मैंने आपको अभी कॉल भी किया, अब जाके ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ.
ज्वाइन हो गया?
हाँ ज्वाइन हो गया फिर से, मतलब किसी ने निकाल दिया था मुझे.
सर आपने सबको दे रखी है.
जिसने आपको निकाल दिया, उन्हें कहो कि कुछ ट्रीट मांगते हैं कि नहीं?
नहीं वो नहीं सर, मतलब पहले क्लास में भी ऐसा होता था, अब भी.
अच्छा, now you're fine now?
Yes sir.
Now next thing, just hold, I will share the side 2. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So on the other side of the drawing sheet, this side 2, from the edge you leave a 10 millimeter gap and draw this rectangle with thick line, everything in pencil. Now on the right hand top corner you form this rectangle of 40 millimeter by 80 millimeter. And the demarcations with 10 millimeter gap, using 10 millimeter stencil you can write this thing. Roll number, signature, date, plate number is 1 here, and roll number you need to write with ink. Okay, now see the overall shape of this side 2. Different things are drawn or written here, but their positions or coordinates are fixed. One thing, the heading of this side 2, that is geometrical figures and views of objects. Now, where that line should be there, of two 10 millimeter gap parallel lines, 25 millimeter from top border line, you draw a line horizontal very thin, give a 10 millimeter gap from that, and below it you draw another thin horizontal line. And where from you start writing these geometrical figures and views of objects, this heading, at a distance of 50 millimeter from this left border line. So first, below 25 and 35 millimeters from top edge, you draw two horizontal very thin guidelines. Then you start writing G, E, O, M, E, etc. and start from this location, which is at a distance of 50 millimeter. Done. Once you write this headline or heading of this plate, then you come here. At a distance of 70 millimeter from top and at a gap of 30 millimeter from left border line, we form a big rectangle with 4 partitions or 4 compartments, and partition lines are 120 millimeter from this line, again 120 millimeter from this partition line, again 100 millimeter from this partition line, and one more that is 100 millimeter. So in that way you complete this partitions, etc. And below that you make a big rectangle with partition in 2 compartments. Now at a gap of 30 millimeter downward, you draw a rectangle of 250 millimeter length and 120 millimeter height, and at the middle 125 by 125 you draw a partition line. Now you are ready to place different objects using the drawings in these 6 compartments. Okay, so you please see this thing. I'll join within a minute. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this first box, there is one drawing, figure 2. Okay, and it is in this way. Somewhere near the central location, you select a point, and there you draw 2 circles. What about the dimensions of these circles? This is diameter 40, the outer one. This 5 indicates the diameter, and R indicates radius. So this is the smaller one is radius 10. That means 20 millimeter diameter and 40 millimeter. But dimension style is different. Here, this is starting from the center, pointing towards the periphery. There you put
Sir.
one arrowhead. Hello.
So someone is take us out from the meeting. So please change the control.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
organizer
Please
only,
change the
sir.
control,
Please
sir.
make it organizer only.
So, beta,
Sir, in this meeting, everyone is participant. So please change everyone to attendee so that no one has access to all these type of options. Everyone is participant in this meeting.
I will just simply depend on your rather good gesture. Anyway, lots of ways are there, but initially we should believe with your rather. क्या बताऊं? आप समझ सकते हो. So just attend the class and don't do such all such. बचपन में किया था बेटा. Now you are quite grown up. So have you exercised your voting right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, not yet.
Sir, what are you
voting?
You are muted.
saying, sir?
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted, sir. Someone muted you.
सर है क्या या चले गए?
Sir, you are muted.
Yes, sir.
Someone
Sir,
is
you are muted, sir.
Sir, you are
सर को
muted.
म्यूट कौन किया?
अभी
सर को कौन म्यूट किया भाई?
Sir,
नहीं,
mute
हम
all
तो
the
बात
talk.
कर रहे हैं ना.
दे बेटा एक कम से कम एक सीनियर सिटीजन को तो छोड़. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Now, heading of this or title of this
Yes,
object is circles. The caption is figure 2 or figure number in there. Now, what about these two mutually perpendicular lines? These are the central lines by thin chain lines. Okay. Now, move to third figure. This is corresponding to triangles. What about this triangle? Its description is equilateral triangle. This is the leader line. This is termination arrowhead. Its side is 40 millimeter in this way. And this 7 by 21, it is some kind of that arrowhead type thing. Isosceles triangle with 1:3. This is.
Sir, the triangle will draw with thick line or thin line? The
Thick line.
all the thick line.
All rather object border lines, not border line, main object outside boundary lines, they must be thick. And these are the helping lines to describe this object. They must be thin. But this color that is used for identification or my rather comfort of describing this thing. Otherwise, in pencil, there is no color. Everything is gray. Now, in this third box, here is one object, a regular hexagon, side 20 millimeter. So you draw this hexagon of side 20 millimeter and describe it in this way. Internal angle is 120 degree. Here is one arc, and at the end of this arc, there is termination arrowhead, side extension lines, dimension line, dimension arrowheads, dimension figure, dimension unit is already mentioned at one corner, all dimensions in millimeter. And this is the external angle, 60 degree. And this is angular dimension from outside. This is angular dimension inside. So whenever there is a very small angle and it is very difficult to accommodate these arrowheads even, so then we proceed from outside. So these formalities, these are some kind of knowing ABCD, etc. and formation of words, formation of sentences, and then ultimately the whole subject, it is engineering drawing or engineering graphics, whatever name we use. Next thing, another simple figure, a regular pentagon side 25. Now for pentagon, this angle is 72 degree or internal angle is 108 degree. With geometrical instruments, you can draw this hexagon, but normally pencil, compass, etc. with the scale. But here you need to use protractor for either 72 degree or 108 degree. Okay. And as you use the drawing instruments, you will become confident about doing all such things. And it really needs practice. Now, in figure 6, this object is a plate. This black thick outside line is that plate, which have 3 holes at 3 locations. This is identified by 3 holes 510, that means 10 millimeter diameter. And what about the size of this plate? From this point to this end, it is 50 plus 10 plus 10. From this end to this side, it is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Now, what about these corners? These corners are circular lines. Okay. Now, what actually it is there? We start from these 3 central locations for 3 circles. We identify one location here. Towards the right, identify at a distance 50 millimeter. From this point, come down by a distance 50 millimeter. Now there you draw a circle of 10 millimeter dia, 10 millimeter dia, 10 millimeter dia. Now at a distance of 10 millimeter from these 2 centers, you draw one straight line, thin. You start with thin lines. Then here, this gap 10 millimeter, you draw this very thin line. And here also, what about this angle? 45 degree, 50 by 50 in size. So at an angle perpendicular to this 45 degree line, you take a radius extended, and on the outer side of that extended radial line, you take a distance of how much? 5 millimeter, because it is 5 millimeter radius and 5 millimeter excess. Here also 5 millimeter radius and some extra length 5 millimeter. So get a point here, get another point here, join these 2 points, get a straight line, very thin line, extend it. And you draw 3 circular lines to touch these 3 lines. So these 3 straight lines will be tangential to 3 circles of radius 10 millimeter. Okay. Now, these things are very simple. Only thing you need to do it very carefully, and you need little time to remember your school day geometry, school day geometry logics, geometric calculations, but it's nothing difficult. Most easy thing we are talking about, not differential calculus, not differential equations, not very tough physics, etc. But using drawing instruments properly, it is very important, and it needs some time from your side. Okay. Then come to the next figure. There is a circle of diameter 40. Inside that circle at central location, there is a square of side 15. All these things are identified or described by this termination arrowhead, the leader line, this extended leader line, and its name of this object, etc. So final object line, they must be dark and thick. Now, here is a part circle whose center is at this location at a distance 50 millimeter from this center towards right, and at a distance of 10 millimeter above this center line. Here you draw one circle with very thin line which is incomplete. Okay, and then you draw two circular lines or two circular arcs. One is this one of radius 70, another is this one radius 40, so that they touch this bigger circle and the smaller circle in this way. They accommodate inside, and this radius 40, this circular arc, they touch this bigger circle and this smaller circle from outside. Okay, I repeat, things are very simple and easy, very easy to understand, but to generate it on paper, it needs your patience, it needs your time, it needs your expertise using the drawing instruments. Okay, very simple subject.
Sir,
Yes.
will we have to draw the green line also?
Everything in total.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Everything in total as it is, whatever it is there, except if there is anything written with italic text, you don't write it. Otherwise, you have to copy it. A lever.
सर नीचे में डायमेंशन जो लिखा है वो भी
सब कुछ.
Sir, while drawing the 70 millimeter and 40 millimeter circular arc, what should be the center of the compass? Where will place the center?
कॉलेज में ऐसा चीज नहीं बताया जाता है, इसका आंसर कोई देता नहीं. आप स्कूल में जाओ, स्टैंडर्ड 8 स्टैंडर्ड 9 का जो बच्चा है, आपका छोटा भाई बहन जो है स्कूल में, उन लोगों के साथ बैठिए. Anyway, please don't mind a little bit. Okay, if you require, I will describe that also. But only thing you must remember, R1 plus R2 and R1 minus R2. That is a clue. Now you just tell me, if you make this circle, you bring it very close to this circle and touch it, then what about the distance between these two centers? R1 plus R2. And you take this smaller circle and bring it inside this bigger circle and touch it. What will be the distance between center to center?
R2 minus R1.
R2 minus R1, exactly. So draw a line and we identify R2, R1 and R2 minus R1. You get that combination. Here the centers, distance between centers, they must be R1 plus R2. It needs a very small common sense and very little practice. So this was all about the side 2. This is outside the border line. So you don't need to describe this borderline. Of course, it is given in italic also, you know, and this is the name of the side. This is side 2. That is also written in italic. You don't need to copy this thing. Everything inside this box, this borderline rectangle, you do it. And if anything is there in italic, don't copy it.
Sir?
Okay. Yes.
So what about the position of the figures inside the compartments?
That is arbitrary, but it should not be just shifted eccentrically. Just it is very much close to this edge. It depends on your common sense. You have to understand. Now, what about this length of this object? 70 millimeter maximum width. Then putting this dimension, etc., you need 5 or 10 millimeter more. So if it is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 70, 80. So you accommodate 80 millimeter within this 125 millimeter. So left out portion is 45. So leave around 20 millimeter on one side and 25 millimeter on the other side. So you can start with this location. At a distance of 25 millimeter, you draw this vertical line, and then onward you start completing this portion, then circles, then the center lines, then extension line, dimension arrowhead, dimension figures, the title of this figure, and the figure number 6.
Sir.
So that mental calculation you have to make. So everything is not like that. There is some rigid guideline and you have to start with all these things. जहाँ करना है वहाँ बताया गया है. Where to start this corner? That is 70 millimeter below the top border line and 30 millimeter towards right from the left border line. That's all. You start from this corner, this big rectangle. These are the compartments with these partition lines. Similarly, here also that is rigid, and you have to place this thing centrally or symmetrical.
Sir, where we have to put the
Is this the first sheet?
unit, sir?
On the other side, it is written just above this title block, all dimensions in millimeter. Okay, and that is true for side 1 as well as side 2. That is for the plate 1, and for all plates it will be like that.
Right side bottom.
Right side bottom corner, there is a title block. Above the title block it is written.
But in this plate, sir, where
somehow these two pages are not in a single PDF file, so I have that difficulty of that continuity page. Anyway, I cannot come back to that directly. Page 1, I need to unshare this and then share afresh the other side, side 1. All these things, whatever it is there, it is all about plate number 1. Then in continuation to that, I will discuss some more things. Now, do you get any fresh page? Only text matters are there.
Fresh
Yes,
page.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, some small correction is required there. That is, I have used the last year's plate number 2. It should be 21, 22. Things are same. Things are same. Nothing has been changed or modified. National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, Engineering Graphics Sessional XCS 51, 2021-22. The title of this plate or topic of this plate is scales and geometrical constructions. Now you'll find some questions are there and you have to answer. Answering means not in the form of calculation, writing some pages after pages, not in that way. It will be there in the form of some drawing. Now can anybody read out the first question?
Yes, sir.
Construct a plane scale of meters
and r dot f of the scale being 1/40. The scale should be long enough to read up to 6 meters. Mark 2 points on the scale at
3.6 meters apart. So this thing is the question. You have to make the solution in the form of a drawing. For that, I'll give you that lecture, and that will not be sufficient. I will ask you to rather study personally some more thing. Books are always the good knowledge bank that you know. So you consult any book. Most of the books they discuss in almost identical manner, so nothing to worry. So the very first chapter for most of the book, the first means after this so-called first plate, that is lettering, dimensioning, copying, etc. You'll find geometrical constructions. Before that, there will be scales. In some books, some geometrical constructions are discussed earlier. Now scales, there are 3 types of scale. One is this thing, plane scale. Another is diagonal scale, and one more scale is there that is called vernier scale. Now most likely You know this scale, vernier scale.
Yes, sir.
In your physics laboratory for finer measurement, you have used this thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But how to make a vernier scale, we will learn here and we will apply it for some pencil drawing on white paper. Okay. Now 5 questions are there on scales. First one on plane scale, the second one diagonal scale, third one is also diagonal scale, fourth one is a vernier scale, and fifth one a comparative scale, which is not really a type of scale. Comparative scale means either vernier scale or plane scale made into different units. Suppose if whom I am talking with, I ask your height, how tall you are. बेटा इतनी जल्दी भूल गया, 5.5 फुट, 6 फुट,
170 centimeters.
170 सेंटीमीटर. और नॉर्मल फुट इंच में कितना आता है?
5.5.
5 feet 10 inches. So the same height you are representing in different units, and this is the comparative term.
6 फीट 2 इंच.
6 फीट 2 इंच. ओके. अमिताभ बच्चन जी का हाइट क्या है?
6 6.5 फुट होगा.
6.7.
और हमारे देश में टॉलेस्ट लोग कौन है?
ग्रेट काली लगता है.
ग्रेट खली 7.5 फीट.
और कोई? एक बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर था ना, उनका क्या नाम है?
बास्केटबॉल तो खेलता हूँ, देखता नहीं, पता नहीं.
बेटा कभी कभी पढ़ लिया कर.
हम लोग तो क्रिकेट देखते हैं सर.
तो ठीक है, देख लीजिए. मना कौन कहता है?
हाँ, क्रिकेट में तो सबसे टॉल लगता है ब्रेटली है.
कहाँ से है? ग्रेट गेल और ब्रेटली तो बहुत छोटा है.
इंडिया से ईशांत शर्मा है.
सर विकास
इंडिया से ईशांत शर्मा.
0.51 मीटर.
Okay. Up to problem 5, we are talking about scales. Now, can anybody read out this problem number 6?
Yes, sir. Sir, a fixed point F is at a distance of 3 cm from a fixed line ZZ1. Draw the locus of a point P moving in the plane containing the line ZZ1 and the point F so that its distance from F is equal to its distance from ZZ1.
ये लाइन का नेचर क्या है? स्ट्रेट लाइन है या कर्व है?
So that is curve, so parabola maybe.
अरे यार मे भी क्या है? Fixed point F and fixed line ZZ1 and locus of that point maintaining that criteria of that condition is that
to circle.
Distance are same from the point. It's a parabola.
Parabola.
Parabola. Problem 6 and parabola. Now, what about problem 7? Construct a parabola. It is given, but how to draw the parabola?
Yes.
There is a triangle TPQ. 3 vertices are there, T, P, and Q. The lengths are there, PQ 12 centimeter, PT 10 centimeter, QT 9 centimeter. You draw the triangle and you accommodate a parabola. ये स्कूल में नहीं सीखा आपने. Okay. स्कूल में at best
from triangle how will draw parabola sir?
मैं सिखाऊंगा. और मेरे तरफ से वो सिखाने से पहले you go through any book, you'll be little advanced in that knowledge. Now inscribe a parabola inside a parallelogram. This time not a triangle. This time it is parallelogram of sides 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now a parallelogram से याद आया. This 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, the angle between the sides being 65 degree. ये बचपन में आपने स्लेट पेंसिल यूज किया था? स्लेट एंड पेंसिल. गांव का कोई लड़का है, कोई बच्चा है?
गांव का नहीं यूज किया.
यस सर, यूज किया.
अच्छा, यूज किया था. कभी-कभी गुस्से
टूट जाता था वो.
कभी-कभी गुस्से में आकर बच्चे वो स्लेट तोड़ देते हैं. जो पिछले जमाने का वो स्लेट स्टोन का बना हुआ था. अभी तो टीन आता है, फाइबर आता है, जो बच्चे लोग तोड़ नहीं सकते. तो we are used to break that और फेंक देते थे अंदर का वो जो पोर्शन, लिखने वाला पोर्शन जो फेंक देते थे। अभी क्या बचा हमारे पास? अभी हमारे पास क्या बचा? जो अंदर वाला लिखने वाला चीज
अभी
फेंक
तो
दिया
डिजिटल स्लेट भी आ गया है।
उसका फ्रेम
नहीं,
बचा।
अभी
सर उसका
मतलब
फ्रेम जो है ना, बॉर्डर वो
हाँ, बॉर्डर में क्या है? सपोज दिस पेज इज ए रेक्टेंगल, सो रेक्टेंगुलर सम वुडन स्केल लाइक थिंग, जैसे सम वुडन रॉड्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट, और कॉर्नर्स में एक पिन लगा हुआ होता है। नाउ रिमूविंग द मिडिल पोर्शन ऑफ दैट स्लेट, that stone part, only these wooden link members are there connected by their pins at this corners। और उसके बाद हम क्या करते थे, उसको साइड से थोड़ा प्रेशर डालते थे। नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द शेप ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल?
Parallelogram, sir.
It's a parallelogram.
It will be distorted in shapes, become parallelogram.
It will be distorted in shape, but it will not remain a rectangle. That also I understand. But what about the new shape? New shape.
Parallelogram, sir.
Now, when it is parallelogram, earlier the bottom side and the top side, they are parallel to each other when it was a rectangle. Now also, when it is a parallelogram, then also the bottom side and the upper side, those are also parallel to each other. Now, that simple sense of this mechanism is utilized in your drafter or mini drafter. So I will ask you, I'm not giving that type of information. It needs my camera to put on and operate that mini drafter, but it's better you give a Google search and just ask for any YouTube video of operation on mini drafter. A very nice, interesting, so many things will be there. Those are better than me. Okay, so just see the operation, how to open that mini drafter, how to fix it on the drawing board, how to operate it. और बेटा आवाज बंद कर बेटा। So how to operate these things means how to draw parallel lines, how to draw perpendicular lines, how to draw angles at particular, how to draw straight lines at a particular angle. So that mini drafter you can use extensively for so many purposes. Okay. Now I will just request you to go through any such demonstration video. Okay. Now that problem 6 on a parabola, problem 7 parabola inside a triangle, problem 8 parabola inside a parallelogram. Then problem 9 construction of ellipse. Now all these geometrical constructions are very interesting and from different approaches. Now construct an ellipse having major axis and minor axis are 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Now by the method of intersecting arcs, I'm not talking about this intersecting arcs right now. I just ask you, what is your idea to draw or to use which principle or logic or which rule or which norms to draw an ellipse when major axis length and minor axis lengths are given?
Sir, once again, repeat
Sir,
the question.
if we have to draw using
Side from both sides same.
Okay, अभी भूल जाइए, स्कूल डेज के बारे में कुछ याद कीजिए. Is there any such almost identical norm like parabola? A locus of a point which is keeping the distances from a fixed point and a fixed line same. Here, what about that?
दोनों
Sir, minor axis
दो पॉइंट से सर
to एक arc draw करेंगे तो
दोनों
focus मिल
फोकस
जाएगा.
से डिस्टेंस जो होता है
एक करके
वो
बता. हाथ उठा के एक करके बता. तो एमएसटी में हाथ उठाना जानते नहीं क्या? हाँ, अरूप गांगुली, हरीश कुमार, so many such people have. हरीश कुमार, तो अरूप गांगुली बता.
Sir, locus of a point which is equidistant from two fixed point.
Not equidistant.
Sir, whose sum is
then
ratio is one. Ratio is one.
Harish Kumar.
Yes, sir. Sir, the
ठीक है, राजीव कुमार यादव.
Oh, yes, sir. Sir, we use 2 pins and 1 thread with pencil. I can draw ellipse. Yeah, 2 pins at the focus place and thread distance is almost 2a.
That is the practical method, but what is the logic behind that?
The
What is the
locus of a
primary
point
geomet-
which is, sir, whose distance is same from two fixed points.
The summation
no,
of the
summation of the distance is constant.
exactly summation of the focal distances are same and constant. Okay, and that constant is the major axis distance. Okay, and using this simple rule, we utilize 1 thread of fixed length and 2 pins. Okay, so there we are using by intersecting arcs the same idea. Now here is one approximate method, diagonals of a rhombus are 12 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. That method we need to learn. Now inscribe an ellipse in a parallelogram of size this. Now, can anybody remember the parametric form of representing an ellipse?
A cos theta
A
and
sin theta
Equal to
equals
A cos
B
theta,
sin.
Y equal to B
That is
sin theta.
that is another good utility thing.
You are muted, sir.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
You are muted, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes.
if you draw, now I will request you to visualize, try to visualize the detailed description, etc. that will come. You draw 2 concentric circles, one with radius A, another with radius B. With respect to that origin O, x-axis, y-axis, etc. All these things are there. Now you draw a line inclined at an angle theta with the horizontal, the x-axis towards right. Now that line intersects the smaller circle of radius B and the larger circle of radius A at 2 locations.
Yes, sir.
Now what about the A cos theta and B cos theta lines? B sin theta. From the bigger circle, if you drop a perpendicular to the x-axis, that you get A cos theta.
Yes,
And
sir.
from the intersection with the theta line with the B radius circle, you draw a line that project it on y-axis. Drop a perpendicular on y-axis. So what about that y-axis projection? It is B sin theta. So geometrically, it is very simple. Just drop 2 perpendiculars from these 2 points of intersection of that line at an angle theta with the circles of B radius and A radius. Draw one vertical line and draw one horizontal line through these 2 points. A circle intersection and B circle intersection, the vertical and horizontal, you get a point of intersection. That is the point on that locus which is called ellipse, because it is satisfying its coordinate as xy equal to A cos theta B sin theta. That is the parametric form. So many interesting things are there. Apply your common sense, and ancient peoples were utilize this common sense and creating so many geometry. And now can we remember about this dish antenna? What special thing is there?
Parabolic shape. Paraboloid 3D shape.
Parabola, when it is rotated about the central axis, it is forming a paraboloid surface. Okay. Now, if we think about that parabola, if it is a parabolic mirror-like thing, and you send rays parallel to the axis, then after reflection, it will pass through a common point. What is that common point? Focus. So from ancient, they used to know all these things. Now mathematically we prove it, but Geometrically, it was very old thing to understand all such things. Next thing, hyperbola. Okay. That is also another type of curve. So ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, etc. So hyperbola. After that, after problem 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, there are such names. One is Archimedean spiral. Next thing in 14, logarithmic spiral. 15th one is cycloid. 16th one is involute, and 17th one is epicycloid. Now, can anybody tell me, do you have any previous exposure to this word cycloid? Have you heard this word cycloid?
Yes, sir. In magnetism.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Magnetism.
Yes.
Cycloid, but not the other word.
Yes, sir. Hard.
कहाँ देखा है इसको?
सुना है सर, देखा नहीं है।
सर इन मैग्नेटिज्म सर,
मैग्नेटिज्म में
नहीं वो मैं
वो
उतना
हेलिकल
complicated-
मोशन था ना वो।
मुझे ऐसा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज नहीं पता। मैं
नहीं, एचसी वर्मा में वो जो सेंटर ऑफ मास का जो लुकस था वो साइक्लॉइडल था।
वो बेटा अभी छोड़ दे जाना, तो थोड़ा ग्राउंड लेवल पे उतरा। मैं एक चीज बता रहा हूँ,
साइकिल के सर्कमफेरेंस
फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इन प्योर
ग्राउंड
रूल।
लेवल पे सिर्फ सुना है, देखा नहीं है।
घुमा देंगे
फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इन प्योर रूल।
बेटा एक काम कर, तू रोड पर खड़ा हो जा, तेरा एक दोस्त को बोल बाईसाइकिल चलाने के लिए स्लो मोशन में, और तू नोटिस कर उस बाईसाइकिल का जहां से हवा देते हैं ना, देयर इज ए फिक्स्ड लोकेशन, यू हैव सम नोटिस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन। नाउ ये साइकिल का जो सेंटर है, वो जो व्हील का जो सेंटर है, वो तो स्ट्रेट लाइन में चल रहा है पैरेलल टू द रोड, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द मूवमेंट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन थ्रू व्हिच यू इंजेक्ट एयर, it travels in a curved path. That is the cycloid path.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, have you heard about this name? Rather, क्या बताऊं? Suppose that bicycle is riding over a hump. A hump is a curve there. The road is not horizontal. And when that bicycle is riding over that hump, that movement is forming a different curve. So similar such things are there. Now you just tell me, have you heard about the name of spirograph?
नो सर।
ये बच्चे लोग खेलते हैं, डिफरेंट शेप्स बनाते हैं डिफरेंट कलर से।
Yes, sir.
Spring type.
And something designing equipment in student life.
Exactly.
स्प्रिंग टाइप
वो कभी बड़े दुकान में नहीं, वो छोटा वो फुटपाथ वाले दुकान में भी पहले मिल जाता था स्पाइरोग्राफ्स। कुछ प्लास्टिक सर्कल्स with gear-like threads are there. Thread means those uneven, those teeth are there, and बच्चे लोग उससे खेलते हैं. So these are all engineering utility curves. Okay. So we learn this thing, but discussing in detail, giving the solution, etc. for these not so important thing in this course, it will kill simply our time. Particularly in online mode, to do practice and to give theory lecture is very difficult, and we are not attending the drawing practical classes offline, so it's really very difficult. It's not theory, it's the lab or practical class, almost impossible, but we have nothing in our hand. So what we need to do, please get any book on engineering drawing. जो लोग खरीद सकते हैं वो 300-350 रुपए से मिल जाएगा ऑनलाइन में, और जो लोग खरीद नहीं सकते हैं वो बाकी लोगों से उसका मोबाइल से ले लीजिए।
Sir, I have downloaded a book of Hindi.
Okay, so some old versions, some old editions, you can get free downloadable things. So once you have, you can share with your friends, those who cannot procure or some difficulty. Okay, and this platform to make this society, not only this intelligent electronic society, but you people please make some fruitful society. And from your that day lecture of orientation, so please be a good human being. So बचपन में हम थोड़ा बहुत तो शरारती कर लेते हैं, but whenever we grow up we started feeling नहीं, जो किया था वो अच्छा नहीं था, कुछ दोस्त को गाली दिया था. Okay, according to that age, it was, I don't say it's exactly perfect, but हो जाता है. But we should not continue that lifelong with that friend. जब भी रास्ते में देखो तो उसको गाली दो, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है? And you don't know on what day that friend will be helping you in a difficulty or in a great trouble for you. Suppose you just start shouting, लोग भाग के आ जाएंगे, बेटा क्या हुआ क्या हुआ, और उस दिन आपने बताया नहीं मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. So that facility or ड्रैगिंग इम्पोर्टेंस और लोगों की नज़र आप लोगों के आने के लिए कुछ लोग करते हैं, लेकिन इन बंगाली में एक है, आप लोग थोड़ा पूछ लीजिए बंगाली दोस्तों से, पाले भाग पड़ा. सो जस्ट ठीक है, ऐसा मत कीजिए. नाउ आई हैव ए ड्रीम लॉन्ग बैक दैट आई वुड लर्न डिफरेंट इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस, बट हो नहीं सका. Bengali, the mother tongue, English, the compulsion, but that also my speaking and writing, this standard is very, very poor, very poor. Somehow काम चला लेता हूँ, आप लोगों के साथ बात करता हूँ, and normally I prefer that you people also talk, so that from you also I know some new pattern of forming sentences, some new words, etc. और उसके साथ थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी सीखना तो वो कॉलेज लाइफ में जब हिंदी मूवी देखना शुरू किया उसी टाइम से हुआ था. ज़्यादा वर्ड तो हम समझते नहीं थे, तो इधर उधर बगल वाले दोस्तों को डिस्टर्ब करते थे, ये बोलना क्या बोला, बोलना क्या बोला. तो somehow in that way, then going through the news readers accent and their other things, बोलने का तरीका, so the Hindi news and so many such things. अभी तो मॉडर्न जमाने में कुछ भी है, and you can take any online course on any subject. But what personally I dream that in this class at least 5 states people are there, 50%, most likely 50% from Bengal, then some people from Bihar, Jharkhand, some people from UP, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, etc., some people from Punjab, some people from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. So you people have different mother tongues, and in your platform please make that society of language interchange or exchange program. बेटा एक सेमिस्टर में आप मास्टर हो जाओगे at least for 4-5 Indian languages, and it is very useful. You do not know at which state you will be posted for your job. So when you are posted at some now at your office, there is no problem. Everything will be communicated mostly through English, etc. But when you go to the market, most of those people will speak in some local language, not only in local language, but in some local accent. The style of pronunciation that is very local, concentrated for those particular area. So please try to form a good society, at least for section H and I, if not the complete first year. And there may be some foreign students, direct admission or etc. etc. Maybe they are from different countries, some African language.
For Bangladesh also,
Bangladesh. So Bangladesh people, they are speaking in Bengali, but if you don't mind, can I utter 2 words, a Ghoti and Bangal? Please don't mind. But you will find the accent, the talking, that pronunciation are different.
Joy is Bengal, sir.
Okay, those who reside in West Bengal and those who reside in pure Bangladesh pattern, things are different. But I would prefer that you exchange this talking styles. Okay. Okay, sir. Now I will share one more file. So for the time being, I just come out of this file. Next thing. Just hold it. Now, have you got any new page there?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody read out the headings, the top 3 lines?
Project.
National Institute of Technology, Durgapur Engineering Graphics Sessional XCS 51 2021-22. Yes, that change has been made here. Now, this is plate number 3, projection of points, lines, and surfaces. And here from the real trouble starts. Okay. How many problems are there? On page 1, there are 10 problems, and in page 2, there are 13 problems. There are 10 plus 13, 23. And I assume that you do not have any exposure to this part, the projection, and remaining part of this subject after that plate number 1 and 2, it will be on projections only. Plate number 3 is projection of points, lines, and surfaces. The word projection that you know, it is forming some kind of arrow on a plane, some kind of shadow on a plane, a similar such very crude way of doing this thing. Now, projection of points, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. Here it is line AB. Then here it is a surface. It's a triangular plate. Sometimes it's called lamina. Now, another geometrical shape, that is pentagonal plate, then a hexagonal plate. So many such things are there. And there you will find one more important thing. One thing is here, this third angle, and another we got it at the very beginning. This one, first angle. So first angle, third angle, and different dihedral angle corresponding to this, and some solution for 1 or 2 problems are given there, and some diagrams are given that will come in our page number 3. And really, I cannot describe this thing without discussion of this chapter, and it will be really impossible for anybody to understand, which was possible to describe in some manner for these geometrical constructions, the scales, etc. But it is not possible here. So this was plate number 3. Plate number 3 has got one more page. That is diagram related to this third plate. The first block, it is corresponding to the solution to problem 1. Second one is solution to problem 2A and 2B, where remaining C, D, and E to be solved accordingly. Other things are description for some problems, or some additional figures are given. We have to follow the instruction, and we need to draw the projections. But right now, really, I cannot communicate anything about this thing. It is मुश्किल ही नहीं, क्या है?
नामुमकिन.
Exactly. Next thing, this was corresponding plate number 3. Now plate number 4, here it is. Now that same projection, also the projection, here it is projection not for points, lines, or surfaces, it is for solids. Projection of simple solids. How many such problems are there? 12 problems. Here you will find some words. Have you heard these words? Plan, elevation?
Yes, sir.
Plan normally it comes for that building plan, etc., and elevation, looking a building from one location, the side elevation or front elevation, etc. We will learn in plate number 3 first, then apply that thing for this objects also, simple solids. After simple solid, we will know this thing. Section of solids.
Sir, you are muted again.
Sir, you are muted.
सर कोई म्यूट कर रहा है आपको?
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So their sections are there, 2 pages, and after this portion covered for plate number 3, plate number 4, and if you formally call plate number 5, the projection of point line surface, projection of simple solids, and section of solids. After that, if time permits, yes. After that, if time permits, we will cover very hurriedly, briefly with introduction, the conversion from pictorial to orthographic or orthographic to pictorial, then isometric drawing or isometric projection, then development of surfaces and intersection of surfaces. Now, if you go through the contents of any engineering drawing book, there are so many things: perspective projection, etc., etc. And for perspective, viewpoints, 1 viewpoint, 2 viewpoint, vanishing point, so many such things are there. But anyway, we'll take up in our next class. But before that, I must say that you please go through the plate number 1, both sides, and have a practice there. Just to hold, I'll try to show it again. This one. Now with a simple A4 page, etc., you can practice this thing rather separately. It's not like that on a simple A4 page you can accommodate, because A4 size is naturally very less than this size. This is 37 centimeter by 55 centimeter, and A4 is very small compared to this thing. Yeah. So, but
A1 or A2
Sir, have you
चलेगा?
taken the attendance, sir?
letters,
Have you
these
taken the
small
attendance?
letters, you can make this block, you can do this
Yes
description,
sir,
etc.
attendance ले लीजिए सर, कल तो नहीं है, छोड़ दीजिए आज.
Practice this thing, how to draw these arrowheads rather more and more accurately, etc., and maintaining this ratio of 1:3. It will take time. So do all this practice, and naturally whatever required for us, we will do accordingly. Okay, and of course you must go through books also.
सर ये पीपीटी या पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा ना सर?
मिल जाएगा, मिल जाएगा सर. फिलहाल क्या कीजिए, कैन यू मेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस पेज? जब हो जाएगा बताना, तो आई विल शेयर द सेकंड.
Yes sir.
हो गया? डन?
Sir, wait.
Okay, I am going for the second page. Second page is here. This is second page. Now you take another screenshot. Maybe most of the thing will be little hazy, not clear, but still at least you can have some idea, because already we discussed about all these things individually.
Yes, sir, but lines, that gap is not properly visible, sir. It's
Okay.
पूरा
But
crop हो जाता है.
that is not a big issue. I'll send you these PDFs, but before that, at least you can spend your time with this thing. So your school day geometry box is there. You can take the help from that also, even if you cannot purchase the big compass, the big set squares, etc. Okay. Then till then, Happy New Year again. Thank you.
Happy New Year, sir.
Take that silence,
Thank you, sir.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year,
Year,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, sir.
Have a nice
Happy New Year.
bye.
Thank you. Same to you
Have a
all.
nice year.
Stay home.
Thank you, sir.
ड्राइंग
Okay, sir.
Happy New
Bye.
Happy New Year.
सर इसे ड्राइंग
सबको
ड्रॉक्टर से करना होगा.
सबको Happy New Year.
पार्टी.
पार्टी सर पार्टी.
कॉलेज में मिलो इसके बाद.
पार्टी होगा.
बजाओ गाना.
पार्टी होगा, पहले इंस्टीट्यूट पहुंच जाओ, बाद में पार्टी का सोचेंगे.
पहले कॉलेज तो खुला
दे तो सही यार.
वर्चुअली पार्टी कैसे करोगे भाई?
अभी पहुंच
अच्छा,
जाएंगे सर, दे तो सही.
लगने वाले भाई.
सर फोन पे
लेट हो जाएगा.
अच्छा हो जाए.
सर चले गए भाई.
एक और आइडिया है
चले गए.
सर सबको
किसने ड्रॉक्टर
सर के
खरीदा?
बोर होके चले गए अभी.
सबको